Hello, everyone. Today, I'm here to introduce our HJ8 series product. This product was developed and launched back in 2004. After more than 20 years of real-world use, it has proven incredibly reliable with a dry failure rate of less than 0.1%. It's a perfect replacement for imported equivalents, but at just half the price. The HJ is mainly used in aerial work platforms, especially in boom lifts. It's built tough with an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance on the upper panel. It fully meets automotive-grade ESG and EMC standards and has passed over 1,000 hours of UV resistance testing. Plus, it comes with multiple actuator options,